End-of-year steps in GPI Internet, Mathematics, Grade 6. Once again, data on the end-of-cycle examinations will be collected in GPI. Therefore, you have 3 steps to perform in GPI Internet at the end of the school year in mathematics. Step 1. Enter exam data. Step 2. Enter the results of the MELS exams to be calculated as 20% of the school year. And Step 3. Evaluate Term 3. To enter exam data, complete the following steps. A specific subject code was created for the purpose of data collection only, EX6 MAT. Your school secretary will give you access to the EX subject. Step 1. Access GPI Internet in the usual way using your user code and password. Step 2. Go to the tab Subject Group and select the EX subject. Step 3. Go to the tab Results. Step 4. Just above the Save, Cancel, Calculate, Produce report buttons, you will see a white box with the level 1 in it. Right beside the level 1 there is a small black arrow pointing downwards. Click on the little arrow. Other choices will be offered to you. Select levels 1 and 2 and click on the bigger arrow pointing right just beside the white box. Levels 1 and 2 of the objectives will then be selected. Remember, you have to do this operation every time you select a new EX subject. Step 5. You will see a list of students with the competencies where the data has to be entered. By moving the cursor over the words C1 or C2, you see the description of the competency. By clicking on the words C1 or C2, you see the legend. Step 6. For C1, you enter the grade on the situational problem as a result between 0 and 100. For C2, you enter the total of C2.1 and C2.2. GPI will not perform this calculation for you. For C2.1, you enter the grade on the Mastery of Concepts and Processes booklet as a result between 0 and 40. For C2.2, you enter the grade on the application situations as a result between 0 and 60. Step 7. Once completed, if you click on Calculate, the final result will appear in the summary. Step 8. Click on Save. Step 9. We recommend that you do Produce Report and print it. You can use this report to verify that you entered your data correctly. As well, your principal may want a copy of this report. To enter the result of the MELS exam to be calculated as 20% of the school year, complete the following steps. Step 1. Access GPI Internet using your user code and password. And remember, specify EX in term. Step 2. Go to the tab Subject Group and select your regular math subject, MAT 610. Step 3. Go to the tab Results and enter the result of the MELS exam for C1 and C2, both as a result between 0 and 100. Step 3. Click on Save. To evaluate Term 3, complete the following steps. Step 1. Access GPI Internet in the usual way using your user code and password. Do not specify anything under Term. Step 2. Go to the tab Subject Group and select your regular math subject, MAT 610. Step 3. Go to the tab Results and evaluate Term 3 as you did for the 2 previous terms. Step 4. You can put in 2 coded messages and a comment that will print on the report card. Step 5. Once completed, if you click on Calculate, the final result will appear in the summary, taking into consideration the MELS exam results previously entered and worth 20% of the school year. Step 6. Click on Save.
If you have any questions, contact Jill Robinson at the board office, extension 3121.